Hello friends, good morning. How are you all? So today we will discuss about the software testing life cycle STLC in software development. Software testing life cycle is a part of software development life cycle. So we will start now. Introduction to STLC. It is a sequence of activities performed during the testing process to ensure the quality of the software. It defines the stages involved in software testing along with the tasks and deliverables for each stage. STLC is a part of SDLC. Now, what are the different phases in software testing lifecycle? Phases are test planning, test design, test execution, test analysis, defect logging and tracking, and reporting. These are the different phases in software testing lifecycle. So we will go one by one now. Requirement analysis. Objective is understand and analyze the requirements from a testing perspective. Activities: identify testable requirements, identify types of testing needed, that is functional, non-functional, etc. Then prepare a requirements traceability matrix RTM, identify testing tools and the environment. Deliverables are RTM and automation feasibility report if applicable. Test planning. Coming to test planning, objective is define the testing approach, objectives and plan resources. Activities: create a test plan or strategy, estimate test effort and resources, define roles and responsibilities, identify risks and mitigation plans, finalize the tools and environment setup. What are the deliverables are test plan document and test effort estimation. Test design, test case development. Now the objective is create detailed test cases and test scripts. We will come to the document later regarding these test cases. So now activities are design test cases based on requirements, prepare test data, review and finalize test cases. Deliverables are test case and test scripts, test cases in manual testing and test scripts in automation testing, and the test data. Test environment setup. The objective is to prepare the environment in which testing will be executed. Activities: identify and configure hardware and software, set up test servers and networks, install testing tools and applications, verify the test environment, smoke testing like that. Deliverables are test environment setup checklist. This is the only deliverable. Now test execution. Execute test cases and identify defects. Activities are execute test cases manually or using automation tools. Anything. Log test results and report defects. Retest fixed defects and perform regression testing. Deliverables are test execution reports and defect logs. Test analysis. The objective is after execution of the test cases, analyze the result. Analyzing the results means like comparing actual results with the expected results. That is what. If they are matching, it is okay. If they are not matching, then bugs and defects will be there. Those can be logged. Now, activities are find whether the test is passed or failed, analyze the results, prepare the report of the same. Deliverables are test execution report. Now, bug or defect logging, tracking, and reporting. Objective is after analysis, defects, bugs, logging into defect logging tools. Defect logging tools in the sense like there are ALM is there, Bugzilla is there, Jira is there. There are a lot of defect logging tools. You can log into the tools which you are available with your company or project. Now activities. If there is any defect exists, then identify. Log the defect into defect logging tools like ALM, Jira, Bugzilla. Then reporting the defects. Deliverables are defects report. Test closure. Test closure objective is like summarize testing activities and evaluate the testing process. Activities are analyze test metrics and results, document lessons learned and best practices, achieve test artifacts, prepare a test closure report. Deliverables are test closure report and metrics and analysis report. Why is STLC important? Why software testing lifecycle is important is because it ensures a structured and systematic approach to testing, which contributes to delivering high quality software products. Here are the key reasons why STLC is essential: improved quality assurance, systematic approach, early detection of defects, efficient use of resources, risk mitigation, traceability and accountability, better test coverage, test metrics, and continuous improvement. In summary, software testing lifecycle is vital for ensuring that testing is efficient, effective, and aligned with the overall objectives of the software project, ultimately leading to the higher customer satisfaction and better software quality. Thank you very much. Thank you guys. This is about all about the software testing life cycle. Please like, share and subscribe my channel so that you can get the notifications whenever I post the videos. Thank you.